Good morning, children. How are you? Hoping all of you are fine. Dear students, today we will start chapter 22, trigonometrical ratios. Let us see. In trigonometrical ratio, this trigonometrical ratios tells us about a right angle triangle, and here are some terms related to trigonometrical ratio. We will learn here sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. These are the trigonometrical ratios. I will tell you the formula for this. Sine theta means P by H. What is P? P is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Remember it. Sine theta is equal to P by H. Cos theta is equal to B by H. Tan theta is equal to P by B. This is our formula. Remember it, sine, cos, tan. And the opposite of sine is known as cosec theta, which is equal to h by p. And opposite of cos is known as sec, that is equal to h by b. And opposite of tan is known as cot is b by p. Remember it. I will explain you all this formula here. Sine A, in place of theta represent the angle. Here sine A we have written, no? So it means this angle. We are talking about this angle. So as we know, dear students, the side opposite to the given angle will be considered as the perpendicular, and the side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse, and the rest, the third side, is known as base. So let us see. Here hypotenuse will never change, only perpendicular and base will change. So let us see. Sine A, P by H means BC upon AC. BC upon AC. Cos A. Cos A means again according to this angle cos A, B by H. So this will be perpendicular, so this will be base. So AB by AC or BA by AC, both are same thing. Tan A is equal to P by B, means BC by AB. BC by AB, or you can say that sine A upon cos A is also tan A. Now cosec, as I told you, cosec is the reciprocal of sine A. So in sine A it is P by H, so it will be H by P. So H by P means AC by BC. This is called cosec A. Sec A is the opposite of cos A. Here cos A is B by H, so it will be H by B. H by B, which is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB. AB. Now cot A. Cot is opposite of reciprocal of tan A. It means what is tan? P by B, so it will be B by P. B by P. It is, that is equal to AB by BC of this triangle. Now sine C. Sine C means now we are talking about according to this angle sine C. Again sine is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So which will be perpendicular? This time perpendicular will be AB, because the side opposite to the given angle will become the perpendicular. So opposite of this C is AB, so AB will be perpendicular. So sine C is equal to P by H, it means AB by AC. Hypotenuse will never change, so AC will be same. Now cos C, again this BC will be the B by H, means BC by AC. Tan C, P by B. P means this one, AB by BC. Now let us see this exercise. The first question of this exercise is, from the following figure find the value of sine A, cos A, cot A, sec C, cosec C and tan C. This figure is given. So let us see. It is given that this is 3 and this is 4. Now in triangle ABC we have to find out the value of AC here. How we will find out? By the help of Pythagoras theorem. So as we know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. It means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to, what is the value of AB? That is 3 square plus BC is 4, so 4 square. So AC square is equal to 3 square means 9 plus 16. So AC square is equal to 25. AC is equal to root over 25. So AC is equal to 5. Now the value of AC we got it, it is 5. Now sine A. Sine A means we are talking according to this angle. So this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base, and side opposite to this right angle will become the hypotenuse. Remember it, this is hypotenuse. For A, for this angle, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. So P by H means P is 4 and H is 5. 4 by 5 will be our answer. Cos A. Cos A means B by H. So what is B? AB is the base and H means 3 by 5 will be our answer. Cot A. Cot A is equal to B by P. So what is B? 3 by 4. This is our answer. Sec C. Sec C means H by B. That is equal to 5 by 3. This will be our answer. Cosec C. Cosec C means H by P. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. That is equal to 5 by 4. Cosec C, 5 by 3, 5 by 3 will be our, this is the value of cosec C. Tan C P by B. So what is P? This is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, this will be our answer. Now we'll see question number 2. From the following figure, find the value of cos B, tan C, sin square B plus cos square B, sin B into cos C plus cos B into sin C. Let us see all these answers one by one. Now this is figure is given here. This figure is given. So here this angle A is 90 degree. It is also given in the figure, and AB is equal to 8 given, and BC is equal to 17. It is already given. BC is the hypotenuse because this side is opposite to this 90 degree. So let us find out AC. AC square is equal to means perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So AC square is equal to BC square minus AB square. So AC square is equal to 17 square minus 8 square. So AC square is equal to 289 minus 64. So AC square is equal to 225. So AC is equal to root over 225. When we will transpose this square to this side, it will become square root. So AC is equal to 15. Now let us find out all this value. We got it, the value of AC, that is equal to 15. Now cos B is equal to B by H. As we know, this is our formula. Cos theta is equal to B by H. Means base upon hypotenuse. So what is base? Cos B. According to this angle, this will be the perpendicular and this is base. So AB by BC. AB by BC, which is equal to AB by BC, 8 by 17. This will be our answer. Second part, tan C. Tan C means according to this angle, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. So tan theta is equal to P by B, means perpendicular upon base, that is equal to AB by AC, which is equal to AB is 8 and AC is 15. So 8 by 15 will be our answer. Now third part, sin square B plus cos square B. Sin square B means sin B according to this, sin B, P by H means 15 by 17. 15 by AB AC square, AC by BC whole square plus AB by BC whole square. So what is the value of AC? 15 by 17 whole square plus AB is here cos B. Cos B means base upon hypotenuse, means 8 by 17. So 15 square 225, 17 square 289 plus 8 square 64, 17 square 289. Now we will take it LCM 289. Here 225 plus 64, that is equal to 289 by 289. By cancelling we will get it here 1. 1 will be our answer. Now let us see fourth part, sin B into cos C plus cos B into sin C. Now let us see fourth part, sin B into cos C plus cos B into sin C. So what is the value of sin B? Sin according to this angle, this is will be P upon H, means 15 by 17 into cos C, means this will be base and this is our hypotenuse. So 15 by 17 plus cos B. Cos B means this will be perpendicular according to this angle, this will be perpendicular, this will be base, 8 by 17 into sin C. Sin C means 8 by 17 P by H. This is our values. Now let us take it, multiply this, 15 into 15 it will be 225, 17 into 17 289 plus 8 8 just 64 plus 289 Now 225 plus 64, we'll take it LCM as 289, and 225 plus 64, that is equal to 289 by 289. By cancelling we'll get it 1. So 1 will be our answer. Now dear students, let us see question number 5. Try to understand, it is very important question. Given sine A is equal to 3 by 5, find first part tan A, second part cos A. So dear students, sine A is given. Sine A, as we know, that is equal to P by H. No, this is the formula for sine. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon height. So sine A, according to this angle, this will be perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. So it is given BC upon AC. BC upon AC is given 3 by 5. It is already given in the question 3 by 5. Means this is 3 and this is 5. Now we have to find out the value of AB. So AB square is equal to, means base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So 5 square minus 3 square. So AB square is equal to 25 minus 9. So AB square is equal to 16. So AB is equal to root 16. So AB is equal to 4. Now let us see. First question is given 10A. 10A, as we know, 10 is equal to P by B. So 10A, according to this angle, this will be P and this will be B. And we got it this value as 4. So BC upon AB. So its value is 3 by 4. This will be our answer. And second part, cos A. Cos A means according to this angle, as we know, cos A is equal to B by H. So what is base? Base is AB by AC. AB by AC, which is equal to 4 by 5. This will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only we will see. Next in the next class. Thank you and take care.